हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो लास्ट टाइम हमने हिस्ट्री में पढ़ा था दिल्ली सल्तनत के बारे में, जिसमें हमने पढ़ा था 3 डायनेस्टी के बारे में, स्लीव डायनेस्टी, खिलजी डायनेस्टी एंड तुगलक डायनेस्टी। सो लेट्स रिवाइज सम मेन पॉइंट्स. We have studied that Qutbuddin Aibak was the founder or establisher of slave dynasty, and the main ruler of slave dynasty were Iltutmish, Qutbuddin Aibak, Razia Sultan and Ghiyasuddin Balban. Right? So next was Khilji dynasty. It was the second dynasty of Delhi Sultanate. It was founded by Jalaluddin Khilji, and the famous ruler of Khilji dynasty was Alauddin Khilji. Third dynasty was Tughlaq dynasty. It was founded by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, and the main rulers of Tughlaq dynasty were Muhammad bin Tughlaq and Firoz Shah Tughlaq. So now today we will discuss about the fourth dynasty of Delhi Sultanate, Sayyid dynasty, and the last and fifth डायनेस्टी ऑफ दिल्ली सल्तनत, दैट इज लोधी डायनेस्टी. सो सैयद डायनेस्टी के बारे में ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है पढ़ने को, बिकॉज इट वाज द लीस्ट टाइम डायनेस्टी, सबसे छोटी टाइम ड्यूरेशन की डायनेस्टी थी. सो सैयद डायनेस्टी वाज फ्रॉम 1414 AD टू 1451 AD. इट हैज 4 रूलर्स. ओके, सो सबसे छोटे टाइम ड्यूरेशन की डायनेस्टी थी सैयद डायनेस्टी, जो की थी 1414 AD से लेकर 1451 AD. इसके जो है 4 रूलर्स थे. द फर्स्ट वन हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ सैयद डायनेस्टी, हु वाज द नॉमिनी ऑफ तैमूर, वाज खिजर खान. सो द फाउंडर, द एस्टेब्लिशर ऑफ सैयद डायनेस्टी वाज खिजर खान, who ruled from 1414 to 1421 AD. And the main important point about Khizr Khan is that he was the governor of Multan. Where is Multan? Multan is at Punjab. So Khizr Khan was the governor of Multan, Punjab. Right? So the second ruler of Sayyid dynasty was Mubarak Khan. The third one is Muhammad Shah, and the fourth one is Alam Shah. So Alam Shah was the last ruler of Sayyid dynasty, and that's how Sayyid dynasty ended here. Next, the main important dynasty, 5th dynasty, or we can say that last dynasty of Delhi Sultanate is Lodi dynasty. So Lodi dynasty कब से कब तक थी? It was from 1451 AD to 1526 AD. Right? आपने नाम सुना होगा इब्राहिम लोदी का, सिकंदर लोदी का. राइट? सो सिकंदर लोदी वॉज द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ 3 लोदी रूलर्स. देयर वर 3 रूलर्स ऑफ लोदी डायनेस्टी, दैट वर सिकंदर लोदी, बहलोल लोदी एंड इब्राहिम लोदी. सो सिकंदर लोदी जो उनमें से था सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट था, जो कि क्या था, वो सक्सेसर था बहलोल लोदी का. ही वॉज द सन ऑफ बहलोल लोदी. एंड हु वॉज बहलोल लोदी? He was the founder, the establisher of Lodi dynasty. He founded the Lodi dynasty in 1451. He ruled from 1451 AD to 1489 AD. After him, his son Sikandar Lodi ruled the Lodi dynasty from 1489 to 1517 AD. And he was the greatest ruler of Lodi dynasty. Why? The main important question from this Lodi dynasty is that Sikandar Lodi was the one who shifted the capital from Delhi to Agra. आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है कि लोधी डायनेस्टी का वो कौन सा रूलर था जिसने अपनी कैपिटल को दिल्ली से आगरा शिफ्ट किया था. तो इट वाज सिकंदर लोधी. ही ऑल्सो डिस्ट्रॉयड मैनी हिंदू टेम्पल्स. जो काफी ज्यादा हिंदू टेम्पल्स भी डिस्ट्रॉय किए थे, वो किसने किए थे? सिकंदर लोधी. And the last ruler of Lodi dynasty was Ibrahim Lodi. Right? So he was defeated by Afghan Mughal Bahadur in the first battle of Panipat. So first battle of Panipat कब हुई थी? Important question है, note down. 1526 AD में 1526 में हुई थी फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ पानीपत एंड it was between Ibrahim Lodi and Babur. So Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by Babur in the first battle of Panipat. He was the last king of Delhi Sultanate. So it is also an important question that who was the last king of Delhi Sultanate? It was Ibrahim Lodi. So that's how the Delhi Sultanate is ended. Right? So we have studied about Delhi Sultanate, in which we have learned about 5 dynasties: Slave dynasty, Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Sayyid dynasty and Lodi dynasty. So that's all for today. I hope you like my video. For more knowledge, please like, share and subscribe my channel.